Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn another tool which is used by the programmers for designing a software or a program. So let us learn about flowchart. Flowchart can be defined as a diagrammatic or pictorial or graphical representation of algorithm. As we have studied in previous classes, algorithm is nothing but it is a step-by-step procedure to solve a given problem. Algorithm contains a set of steps which need to be performed to perform a specific task. So these steps are represented by using symbols or graphics, which is called as flowchart. It is a chart showing the flow of logic involved in solving a given problem. That means the flowchart shows the order in which the steps are executed to solve a given problem. So let us understand what are the various symbols used in flowchart. Today we will discuss some of the symbols. So the first symbol used here is the oval, which is also referred as terminator, and the use of this symbol is to indicate begin or end, that is to start and stop. The oval symbol is used. Second symbol used in flowchart is arrow, which are the connector lines. These are used to connect any two symbols. The direction of arrow also shows in which order the steps must be executed. The next symbol we have is rectangle, which is also referred as process symbol, and the use of this symbol is initialization and computation. Initialization is nothing but assigning value to some variable or a constant, and computation indicates here the calculations. If there are initializations or calculations, the process symbol is used. Another important symbol we have is the parallelogram, which is used for reading and printing the data. Other symbols we will discuss in next class. Now we will design an algorithm and flowchart to calculate sum and average of two numbers. So the algorithm is step 1, start. Step 2, read two numbers. Once the numbers are read, sum is calculated by using the expression sum is equal to a plus b. Next step is to calculate average by using the expression average is equal to sum divided by 2. Once the sum and average is calculated, next step is to print this result or output. So the step print sum comma average, and the procedure is terminated by using the step stop. So all these steps are represented by using various symbols which we discussed in the previous slide. So this is the flowchart for calculating sum and average of two numbers. The oval is used here to indicate the start of the procedure. Next, reading of values is represented in the parallelogram. Once the reading is done, sum is calculated, average is calculated. So for these, process symbol is used, that is the rectangle. Once the calculations are done, Printing of output is done with the help of parallelogram, and the procedure is terminated by using terminator, that is the oval symbol. So this is how the flowchart can be designed. In next class, we will cover some more examples on flowcharts.